Hello everyone, we are the group 3 and for this experiment, we will be doing the experiment number 2 which is the compression test on wood specimen, particularly COCO lumber, mahogany, and GEMELINA species. For the tools and equipments, we have the wood specimens of COCO lumber, GEMELINA, and mahogany. We also have the universal testing machine, vernier caliper, steel meter stick, hand saw, and weighing scale. The experiment's objectives are to determine the compressive strengths of various wood specimen and to evaluate whether each wood sample is in compliance with the standard specification and site. For the methodology, number 1, we identify the 3 types of wood based on weight, color, grain, and texture. Number 2, we utilize a vernier caliper or steel meter stick to measure the dimensions, particularly width, length, and thickness of the wood specimen. Number 3, we mark a length of 380 mm on wood specimen for sewing using a hand saw. Therefore, after sewing, we will measure and record the length to ensure accuracy. Number 5, we weigh the sample using a weighing scale. And number 6, we repeat steps 2 to 5 for the remaining wood specimens. Number 7, we position the sample centrally within the machine and adjust as it needed to ensure uniform and actual loading at both ends. 8, we initiated the compression test by activating the start button on the universal testing machine. Number 9, we ensure that the loading progress at a consistent deformation rate with the average time to maximum load for each test series being at least 4 minutes. We monitor the load at initial failure during any changes in specimen behavior and at maximum load. 11, we recorded the maximum load reached and captured its corresponding graph. And for the last step, number 12, we repeat steps 1 to 5 for each remaining wood specimen. For the result analysis and discussion, the wood samples exhibited significant variation in mechanical properties during the experiment. Mahogany displayed moderate strength while GEMELINA showed diminished load-bearing capacity. Mahogany demonstrated notable strength while discrepancies in wood density and grain structure likely contributed to this variation. Comparing maximum loads values, COCO lumber showed the highest capacity, meeting the compressive strength of 18 megapascal on wood as per ASTM D198. These findings emphasize the importance of considering wood species mechanical properties in structural application accordingly. In conclusion, the experiment objectives have been achieved. The compression test provided valuable insights into the compressive strength and load-bearing capabilities of COCO lumber, GEMELINA, and mahogany wood specimens. Notably, COCO lumber exhibited potential for high-stress application by exceeding the minimum required standards for compressive strength capacity. These results highlight the importance of considering the unique characteristics of each wood species when evaluating their mechanical properties. Further research exploring the fundamental factors affecting these characteristics could enhance our understanding of how different wood species perform in structural engineering and construction projects.
By weight and thickness.
Weight, di ba?
Weight. COCO. COCO. Wala ka na, pwede siya timbang.